is our YouTube channel where we like to rebuild cars and help you guys.
Our dad teaches us and we learn.
And I hand them the tools.
If you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe.
Enjoy the video.
What's up, YouTube? So we are back today with another project. We picked up this 2003 Jeep Liberty. Four-wheel drive. It's got 173,000 miles on it. It's got brand new tires on it, so it's got $600 worth of tires on it. And here's what happened. The guy's daughter was driving it home and she rear-ended a Nissan. So she only cracked the bumper and the grille. Everything else is good. So fenders are right here. The fender flares, I should say the inner fenders. That's all that's smashed up is the bumper. But the grille's right there, headlights are right there. So the only thing I need to do is get a new bumper cover for it. It's gonna need some windshield wipers. All the windows, all the glasses. Interior is in actually really good condition. It's got a sunroof, pretty cool, works. Everything works on this Jeep. A CD player with an awesome Taylor Swift CD included at no extra charge. AC heat works. Got some hideous Realtree seat covers. But the back, it just needs a little bit of cleaning. All the doors close right. As you can see, this hood does have a little bit of damage. We're not even going to mess around with this. We did find one at our local junkyard with the same color, so that'll be an easy fix. Once you open up right here, it does have the 3.7 liter V6. The radiator did not get damaged. Just a little bit of damage here on this lower support here, but we can probably pull that out with some chains and a 2x4 and make this look good and square up. Fortunately, we still have the side flares. Those were not damaged. We have found a replacement used bumper for it, and the grille is a different color, but we are going to probably scuff that up and try to paint match it as best as possible. All right, the other thing that we do have to fix on this car here, the regulator went bad. So this Jeep runs like a top. The place where we bought it was 45 miles away from home and didn't have any check engine lights on or anything when we picked it up, and on the whole way home after 45 miles didn't overheat.
Well, since this hood looks nasty, let's go ahead and replace it.
Good? This is our new used hood. Same color. We got real lucky there. We're going to put this one back on.
Just like that, the hood is good as new. While we're at it, we're going to go ahead and add some new wipers.
Since this used hood was missing the lettering, we're going to remove it with our eraser wheel. So we have a couple cracks in this back headlight support, and what we're going to do is try out this plastic welding kit. So this is just a test fit of the new grille. Already looks pretty good.
Now we're pulling out the seats so that we can clean the inside. Now that we vacuumed the carpets, now we're going to shampoo it.
All right, everyone, so as you can see, we have obtained a new bumper. It fits on there pretty good. The grill looks good on there too. We are actually waiting for paint so we can match these up, make it look as good as new. Our new hood is on there. It also looks pretty good. It does have a couple of scratches. We might buff those out, make them look a little better. Pop those back on. Today what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna change the oil in this thing, air filter, and maybe do a little cleanup around the engine. Doesn't look too bad. There are surprisingly no leaks on this engine. All right, today we're gonna focus on the grill right here. This is the one that we got from a car at the junkyard. So we're gonna scuff it up real nice. We do have the original paint color that was mixed for us. It was mixed for us here at a local paint shop. All right, so we sanded down the grill and we have our first coat of primer on it.
Now we're going to use some degreaser to clean down the part before we paint.
To me. All right, so we have 3 coats down on the fender flares. Not looking too bad. There's the other one. I have them drying here. I'm gonna let them dry for about a good hour. And here's the grill. The grill also looks really good. So I'm gonna let these dry for about an hour and then I'm gonna shoot them with some clear. Be done with it, let them dry in the sun, and finally get to put the parts back on, hopefully this afternoon. All right, it's time to shoot the clear on all the pieces. I think 2 coats of clear will be plenty. We'll see. We're using this clear right here. This is a Spray Max 2K Clear Glamour. I've used this before, works really well. It doesn't yellow up over time. All right, so here's our first coat of clear. Looks pretty nice. And I don't think I'm gonna wet sand this and polish it because I don't want these parts looking better than the rest of the Jeep. I'm okay with a little bit of orange peel. This doesn't look too bad. There's a little bit of trash in the paint. Again, this is no professional paint job or paint booth, but not bad for a garage paint job. In the sun for about 2 hours. I think they're pretty dry. So finally we have put together all the parts, and I gotta say it turned out pretty nice. Color is almost perfect. I'm happy with it, so that's all that matters. The headlights turned out okay. The only thing that I have left to do is paint this right here. Alright guys, so it's a few days later and I wasn't too happy with the way these headlights turned out. It was a temporary solution. They looked better, but I went ahead and bought a brand new pair of replacements off of eBay. $45, can't beat it, so I'm going to throw these on real quick and it should look a lot better. Go ahead and pull that one out. Pull that out at an angle. There you go. Beautiful. Now you undo it. No, hang on. Just turn this to the left. Like this way. And make sure you don't touch the bulb. Pull it out complete. There you go. Then just lay the headlight right there. Whew. Beautiful, crystal clear. So these actually came with brand new bulbs. That's a nice bonus there, 45 bucks. Can't beat that. So we're going to go ahead and update the radio that it has. We're going to pull out this factory one and we're going to throw in a nice Pioneer head unit with Bluetooth, DVD, and a backup camera. Alright, so I bought this kit right here off of eBay for $229. It's a Pioneer head unit, the new trim because we're going from a smaller deck to a bigger size deck, double din, and so it comes with the trim kit. It comes with the antenna adapter and the easy plug and play harness. Alright, so now we're going to combine our harnesses, and in the process I'm teaching my 14-year-old son how to wire up a car radio. I'm sure he'll do a fine job. This is the rear view camera we are installing. It's made by Boss LPC B36. Pretty inexpensive. I think I only paid maybe $30 for this. But I've used this in other cars and they work pretty well. They've lasted a while. Alright, so our radio is installed and it's working good. Now it's time to put on the new bezel. We did transfer over our heater controls. Alright, our new deck is installed. Looks good, sounds good. We're happy with that. Right, reverse camera is all set up. We got the radio looking good in here. Put that in reverse right there. Got the camera coming on. Camera comes on just fine. Alright, so the Jeep is now 100% complete. Super clean. Our panels came out nice that we painted. The grill looks good. Washed it up really nice this morning. Looking sharp. Interior is nice and clean. Ready to go.
Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video. Peace.